I hope you've had a great day yesterday and you're ready for today. Oh, what's wrong, Cheaty? Why are you looking very upset?
I'm just not in the mood today.
Oh, that's really sad to hear. I really hope you have a great day because I want to teach you a really nice sport. Who here knows what gymnastics is? Oh, I know. It's a sport. Oh, that's right. You're right. Okay. Anyone else? Gymnastics is jumping high in the air, also doing flips. You're absolutely right. Okay. So, let me start by telling you the first move we're going to learn today. Bless you. Who was that? Sorry, it was me. Oh, I hope you're feeling okay. Yeah, I am. You don't look so well. I'm okay. I'll just go back here and sit here.
Oh, you're sitting right behind me. Don't be too close to me if you're sneezing. Okay, okay. Let me show you. First move is the front roll. You put your hands down and you push with your hands all the way up and down. Who here wants to try it again? Up and down. Okay, who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Molly? Okay, I'm really excited for that. Look at me. Watch and learn. Well, oh, no, that's not the way to do it, Molly. Again, put your hands down and put your hands up, and I push you away. I did it! I feel a little bit dizzy, okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, who's next? That was disgusting. You showered me. I'm moving away from you. Just disgusting. I'll go next. I'll go next.
Okay, again, I'll do it. I know how to do it. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, ow, you just pushed me, you. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I did it. I don't want to learn more.
Okay, now our next move would be the back roll. Watch and learn. Wee. Again, let me show you again. Wee. Can I try it? I think I'll be great at the back roll. I think I'm a natural. That was great. Oh, that was great, really. Have you been practicing at home?
Oh, yeah, that was really great.
You okay? What's wrong? Cheaty? Okay, what's wrong with everyone?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me. Oh, I, I, I don't feel very well. I think I'm just gonna lie down a bit, okay, if you don't mind. I'm so tired. I'm really tired.
Achoo! Oh, you really showered me. You really did. Okay, I don't want to be sick. I'll just move right next to Media. Oh no, KK, I don't want Medi. Can we sit next to each other?
Yeah, sure. I'll sit right next.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
No, I'm fine.
Oh no, what's wrong with everyone? Oh, let me feel you. Oh, you're quite feverish. think all of you. Oh no. Are you okay? Uh, I don't think there's anything wrong with me. I'm just a little bit tired. I'm not sick at all. Okay, guys. I'll just get you the blanket. Wait, I'll take care of you now. Oh, come on, Cheaty. No, I will not get inside of here. I want to stay right over here. Oh, come on, Cheaty, my dear. No way. I will not get in a blanket with those people. And now I'm not even sick. I'm just trying to figure out who made everyone. Okay. First thing we need to learn, all of you, that you need to cover your mouth when you're sneezing or coughing. Like with what? My foot? No. What's wrong with you? With your hand. With your actually with your elbow. Like this? That's a lot better. Okay. You are sick. Let me try and get your temperature. No way, Jose. No one is giving me. Achoo! Oh. Uh-huh. Let me try to guess who made us sick. Excuse me, Miss Pamela. Let me try. Was it you, Stubby? No. Stubbs, it was you. No. Medley. No. Pig. No. Molly. It wasn't me, I promise. I came home and I was perfectly fine. I'm trying to remember, someone was coughing at the beginning of the class. It was you, wasn't it? I'm really tired. Let me put you in the blanket with them. Come on. No way. I'm not going in with Miss Viruses. Oh, that's not very nice. Do not call her Miss Viruses. Okay, I won't. I'll call her Germ. No, you can't call her Germ. I'll call her Yuckies, the Nasties. That's not very nice. Oh, I'm really tired. I don't want to be in the same one as she is. Okay, I'll get you. Oh, I remember. You left us a blanket the first day you came here. Let me go get it. You. Oh, you made us sick. I'm sorry. Let me grab you. You're out of here. You leave the playgroup today. You made us sick. I can't even carry you. I can't even move. I can't move you. I'm trying to move you. I can't. Oh, I'm here. Oh no, Cheaty, what's wrong with you? Hey, Rugs, come here, Cheaty. Let me just put you right here. Rugs, why are you out of bed? Oh, no, I'm sorry, I did it. Don't leave the bed, okay? Oh, I really love your blanket. Yeah, 'cause I am the boss even when I'm sick. Can I see your blanket? Get off of me. I can't even move. I feel better now. Oh, I love it. Oh, tell her to move away from me. I love it. I will sleep right next to you. Oh, cutie pie. Oh no, tell her to move. Oh, actually, I'm liking this. Let her stay with you. I'm also going to sit right next to you. Oh no, please tell everyone to move. Oh, I love your blanket. Oh no. Oh, me too. Oh, this is so cozy. Me too. Oh, we love you, Cheaty. Oh no. Oh, and just before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.